everyone, Prestissima here. Today we're going to learn a famous piece called Minuet in G. This piece comes from J.S. Bach's Magdalena notebook. For a long time, people thought that J.S. Bach wrote the piece, but now we're not quite so sure. There were a variety of composers that contributed to the Magdalena notebook. One of them was Christian Petzold, and Menuet in G is often attributed to him. It is a very fun piece. Let's get started. All right, Menuet. It is in the key of blank major. Well, it is called Menuet in G, right? So it's in G major. Where's my handy dandy pencil? But we will verify. So let's look at the key signature. We have 1 sharp, F sharp, and we know that the G major scale has 1 sharp, F sharp. Let's play it. We have G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, G. Okay, so yes, we are in the key of G major. 1 sharp, F sharp is our key signature, and we have our time signature, which is 3/4, meaning 3 beats per measure, and quarter note gets the beat. All right, let's jump right in and I'll give you some tips. All right, so the first thing we're going to look at is the form. So when we look at this, we're going to go all the way through this first page, and then we see a repeat sign, okay? And there's no other repeat sign on the page, so we're going to go all the way back to the beginning and play this again, okay? Then we'll move on to the second page. Interesting. We're going to play through, and then we see another repeat sign. But remember, we saw the forward repeat sign, right? So this is going to go back to the forward repeat sign, and then we play it again. So we're going to play the first page twice, then we're going to play the second page twice. So we might refer to this as A, B, B form. Right, now let's look at the melody. So we're going to start with our right hand, okay? And this is in 3. Remember, we have all of these eighth notes, so you're subdividing your head into eighth notes, right? Duples. So I'm going to go through and let's take a quick look here. I start on 5, right? And we have all of these phrase marking slurs. So we're going to try to make everything nice and legato and smooth. I'm going to go down to 1. Okay, that was nice and easy, right? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll go back to 1. Okay, then I'm going to jump up. I could jump up to my 5 finger or your 3rd finger, whatever's easiest for you. Maybe I'll try 5 and then scrunch to the 1, F sharp, and then down to 1. Okay, then keep going. 4. Okay, so far my fingers just fall really easily wherever they go, right? Until here, I ran out of fingers, so I'm going to jump my 2 finger over and then play that F sharp. Okay, good. Let's keep going. All right, this looks familiar, so I'm going to go back to my 5 finger. And then you could either do 5 or 3, right? F sharp, down to 1. And I'll do the same as before, right? 4. Okay, so here I just went, I said 2, 3, 2, 1, and then I kind of did the same thing as before where I jumped my 2 finger over and then just came back to 1. All right, and then we're going to repeat that and play it again. So let's take a look at our left hand for this page, okay? All right, F sharps all the way through. I'm going to play 1, 3, 5. And then I'm going to play 4 finger on that A. All right, there we go. And then I'll play 2 finger here. Okay, and then to 4 finger. All right, so you're doing all this counting in your head, right? Then I'll go 1, 3, 5, 1, and then now I'm going to jump my 5 finger down. You see that? 5, 1, 2, 3, and then 2. Easy. I'll play 4, 2, 4, and then 1 up here. scrunch here because this was 4. We do a little scrunch to the 1, and then F sharp, and then a little stretch up to the 1, 2 finger over the 1, down to the 5 finger on the D, and then 1, 5. Okay, good. Then you're just going to play it all over again. All right, now here's something to watch out for, friends. When it has a repeat sign, it does not add any extra beats. You go straight back to wherever you repeat, okay? So this is 1, 2, 3, 1, okay? No extra beats. So let's see here. If we were to play, where does this end? I'll just play 1 here. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and right? So 1, 2, 3, 1. So no pauses, right? No stopping here. We go 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, that's how repeats work. All right, let's look at the second page here. All right, nothing's really changed. We're in the same key signature, right? With the F sharps, we're in the key of G. Now, we're going to start up here on this B with our 5 finger. Ooh, we've jumped up. And then we're going to play, we'll just do the right hand for now. We'll do the melody. So we'll do 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. Okay, and then I'll go down to 1. Aha, did you remember your F sharp? And then at 4. So far, I'm just playing whatever's easiest to play. 4, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, now we're going to swing our 3rd finger over to that C sharp. Okay, good. Now we're already on 1, so we're going to go up the scale here on 1, 1, 2, and then we have that C sharp. It's an accidental. Now we did have a C sharp here, which carried through the end of the measure, but it reset, right? So that's why if they want us to play C sharp again, we're going to play C sharp because they wrote it in. So we have 1, 2, C sharp, and then swing that 1 finger under. 1, 2, F sharp, G, back down, F sharp. And then now we're going to stretch 1, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, C sharp, and then 4 on the D. All right, good. So now we're going to do a little bit of a jump. So they recommend we go to our 5 finger here, and then down to 1. And we have an F sharp, so we're going to swing our 2 finger down. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. And then a little bit higher stretch. 5 again. 5, 1, 2, and 3. Good. Then just back up to D. Down. And now that we've run out of fingers, we're going to swing our 3rd finger over to that F sharp. 3, 4, 5. I like that, okay? Then our 1 finger on the D. Don't forget your F sharps. Swing the finger under, right? And then now we're going to swing our 4th finger over for that F sharp because we want to play this chord. Okay, then after this we have the repeat sign. Is there a forward repeat sign? There is! So we're going to go from here to here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, right? Because there's no pauses. So from here, straight to here. Excellent. All right, now our left hand, starting on the G there with our 2 finger, to the F sharp with our 3 finger, and then 4, 2, 4, 1, stretch down to A, and then jump up to the A up here with your 3rd finger. 2, oops, that's B natural. 3, and then B, D. I'm going to do 2, 1, and then back to 2 on the C sharp. And then F sharp down here on your 4 finger. I'll play 2 on the A, 1. Stretch down to 5. And then, okay, it says C natural there. Obviously, in G, the C is natural, but it's just a reminder because we had C sharp before. They're saying, oops, don't mistake, don't play C sharp. It's going to be C natural. All right. That's called a courtesy accidental. They're just being friendly and reminding you. Okay, it's called a courtesy accidental because they don't have to put it there. The rules say that this is going to be a C natural. But because we have C sharp so many times before that, they want us to be sure that it's not a mistake. this is definitely a C natural. So, as a courtesy, they're being so kind, they're telling us that that is a C natural, right? Not a C sharp, C natural. Okay, so I'm going to play that with my one finger. And then, oh, we get to a fun measure. All right, it wants us to go to our three finger on the B. Notice this is a half note. And then we have a half note. And then we have a quarter note. This seems like a lot of beats, right? But we're going to hold this for 2 beats. This comes in on beat 2, and we're also going to hold it for 2 beats. How does that work out? So we had 1, then we have 1, 2. Notice how I'm holding that B still. So 1, 2. Now I'm going to lift and play this again. But I'm still going to hold down that D because this is for 2 beats. So this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's so fun. So we're having the C natural on our one finger, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we'll keep going. And then we have 2 for the C, and then 1. And we have the same situation, right? So we have the 2 beats, 1, 2, and then we're going to come back to that C, right? And we have to hold down this E still. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's so fun. All right, then we're back to the D or the B there. Okay, all pretty straightforward. Now we're going to come down and play. All right, so there's a bunch of rests here because we are playing this D with our fourth finger all the way through the measure. But it's rest, rest because this voice is only 1 beat and it's on beat 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, and remember your F sharp. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we keep going. Okay, everything just falls right into place. So 1, 2, 3, and you're still holding this down, right? Because that's still beat 3. And then 3, 1, 2, 1. And then I'll just jump down here. 5, 3, 1, 3, 5. Okay. Now, I might switch that. I might go 5, 3, 1, and then I might do 2, 5. That's actually better for me. I like that. But you play whatever is best for your fingers. Oh, and remember, we have the repeat sign, so you go straight from here up to here, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're not adding any extra beats, right? We don't go 1, 2, 3. Okay, where is it again? Oh, there it is. 1. All right, we do not want to do that. This music keeps going. That's where the repeat sign means. So instead of them just writing it again over here, we're just saying, oh, no, go back right there. So we don't stop. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, right? So we just keep moving right along. All right, so you're going to practice your right hand, and then you're going to practice your left hand. Practice them slowly, and I recommend you learning one section at a time. So you'll do right hand, left hand together, then you'll do right hand, left hand, and then hands together. And anytime you have something a little bit tricky, like this, maybe, you want to practice that separately until that's comfortable, and then you could merge it all together. So right hand, left hand, hands together, right hand, left hand, hands together, and then you could try playing the whole thing A, B, B. today we learned the famous Minuet in G. And the Minuet in G has repeats. So keep practicing all your songs, sing while you play, and memorize everything. Prestissima out!